Cadota, South Dakota. That's just fun to say. Anyway, came up on a hill and this is what I'm seeing. This is for you, Mom. It's foggy. Anyway, I'm gonna put this down, pay attention to my driving. Bye, y'all. So, I left that one campground that I went to that was, I just didn't feel safe there. It wasn't clean, it wasn't kept, there wasn't even an office, it was more like a shed. Anyway, so I took off. And I found this campground only because I had some problems with the truck. I'll go into that later. Anyway, this campground is gorgeous. It's huge. It's called, God, why can't I ever remember that? I'll find out and I'll put it somewhere. Anyway, look at this. I mean, yes, the highway's right there, but it's not very noisy at all, really. And this place is beautiful. Everything's green. The people are nice. Got your own private little picnic table. There's a barbecue pit right there, I believe. This whole area is mine. I believe it was $40 for the night. And it's huge. They have a swimming pool, a laundry room. The bathrooms are wonderful. Very clean, whole lot of shower areas. They've got places way down there. I don't know if they're playing horseshoes or what that's called. These guys have the same thing right there. And a fire going. Anyway, I got set up and I went over and took a shower. Kind of wish I was staying here for a couple of days. But I've got to get to the TrailManor factory. It's supposed to be there Monday. I think today's Saturday. But, oh, there it is. Oasis Campground. There's a sign. See, I know where I'm at. Sorry about the focus. Or zoom. I never can remember where I've got it. Anyway, yeah, they've got these pull-throughs here, and then clear on the other side, that direction, they have, on the other side of the office, pool, game room, laundry room, they have bigger sites for motorhomes. Anyway, so I am set up here just for the night, and hopefully I'll remember to set the camera up tomorrow when I'm leaving, and I'll take a big loop around the place. Yeah, the TrailManor really needs a bath. Look at her. She's filthy. I'm not quite sure how to get all that off, but I will. Maybe the TrailManor people will know how to do that. Anyway, so I guess that's about it. I could walk over here and show you. I guess somebody else could park behind me because I'm in 61 and there's a 62 right there. I don't know. I'm not quite sure how it works out. But it's a very nice park. The weather is pretty nice. I mean, it's cloudy and dark over there. But look at all that green. Nice place. Oh, I take it back. Highway's over there. This is the old highway behind me that I saw earlier. The business route for it. There's TrailManor. Happy girl. Anyway, yeah, later in this video I'll put in why I had to stop here. And hopefully this video won't be too long. Anyway. Alright. I'm headed back inside. Gonna make me some dinner. I'm gonna make a mushroom burger. And I don't think I'll be getting much of a sunset, but you can see, well, hopefully you can see. I can't. It's too bright. Beautiful sky. It's windy. I think it said a 10-20% chance of rain tonight, which is fine. I enjoy the rain on the roof of the TrailManor. Anyway, so that's it for now. I'll be back later. Toodles. Hi. We're at the shop. I'm in Chamberlain, South Dakota, and I noticed the battery light came on. I called this guy at Ron's Auto Service, and he said it sounded like the alternator for me to bring it on in. He was only like 3 miles from where I was. So I stopped here. He's looking at it, put a voltage meter on it or something, and the alternator. Something about it's going down. It was supposed to be 14 something, it's 12 and going down. So I'm stuck here for a couple of hours, going to find a place to stay the night in this area, but I wanted to show you this bridge that I came across. It is pretty cool. That bridge is huge, really, really tall. Anyway, so hopefully this guy will be able to get me fixed and I can get out of here. I wanted to go, I can't remember the name of the town I was headed to, but the next town is like an hour away, whereas where I was going to stay. And depending on how I felt, I was just going to go on to the TrailManor factory, but obviously that's not going to happen. So I'm going to try and find a place to stay tonight. It's getting a little windy, so I guess it's a good thing I'm off the road, because we all know how I deal with the wind. Anyway, so yeah, she's parked again. By the time I get back to California, I may have a brand new truck with replacing parts. Not that I'm going to buy a new one. Anyway, I will be back. Let me show you his sign. Really nice guy. I'm assuming his name's Ron. Anyway, there's his sign. Let's see. And he is on the corner of King and Main in Chamberlain, South Dakota. All right, I'll be back later.